Ningguo Nanfang Wear-Resistant Materials Company Limited. It is a modern stock enterprise that integrating scientific research, design, development, manufacturing, sales, and technical services. We are specialized in producing chromium alloy casting grinding balls, cylpebs, and steel components. With a registered capital of 22.5 million yuan, the company covers an area of 50,000 square meters, and the total output capacity is about 30,000 tons per year. Now it has become a leading enterprise in wear-resistant materials and a high-end brand in China's foundry industry. We have professional standardized production workshops, automatic intelligent casting production lines, automatic oil quenching heat treatment production lines, and domestic leading environmentally clean equipment. The reasonable chemical composition is the control that has been come out of the trial and error by our scientific researcher. We have a unique chemical composition which makes the ball's toughness and hardness reach the perfect combination, which is all controlled by computers on the whole process from molds moving, twisting, opening and closing, sand shooting to temperature adjusting. The automatic line has improved products' quality, reduced production costs, and increased the enterprise's benefits. It is important to progress to ensure quality stable. Our company adopts the first-class oil quenching equipment. For different production specifications, we use different quenching methods and choose the most suitable technical parameters to quench. We own an advanced import direct reading spectrometer, Rockwell hardness tester, automatic carbon detector, high-altitude falling ball testing machine, microscope, and other inspection equipment. It has passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System Certificate, ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management System Certificate, and OSAS 18001-2007 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate, the energy saving and clean manufacturing. With the development idea of dual circulation in domestic and international markets, we attended the United States Las Vegas Mine Expo, International Mining Exhibition, Peru Expo Mina International Mining Exhibition, Chile Exponor International Mining Exposition, South Africa International Mining Exhibition, Indonesia International Mining Exhibition, Philippines International Mining Exhibition, and Tianjin International Mining Exhibition, and so on. It has established long-time cooperation in this market with many well-known domestic and foreign companies. Let them know XNF brand goods advantage. We process the XNF brand chromium grinding ball, cylpebs, mill liners, partition plates, and crusher hammers are widely used for their good wear resistance, low break rate, and good energy-saving effect. It is widely used for building materials, mining, metallurgy, electric power, chemical, magnetic materials, new environmentally building materials, and other industries. We got many good partners of Nanfang Cement, China United Cement, China National Building Material, Tianshan Cement, Sinoma Cement, Jiangsu Helin Cement, Jusco Group, Vale, Rio Tinto, Vangtat, Lafargue, and TEC are high opinion. Our products are exported to Australia, Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, Peru, Chile, South Africa, Ethiopia, Laos, Indonesia, the Philippines, Russia, and other countries. Let's join a Nanfang and let the world know the Xin Nanfang brand. Let the world into the Nanfang.